Hello everyone, welcome to how to browse your YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to turn on live caption in Windows 11. So let's jump right into the video. Make sure you have the latest version Windows 11, you have the latest update, and now let's jump right into the video. And also don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my YouTube channel. And what you have to do right now is to click on and to right click on Windows logo and select settings, and here we should see different options and also accessibility. Click on accessibility and now scroll a little bit down, and here we should see something related to live captions. So here we have captions. Click on captions, and here we have live captions. Audio and video will be captioned live on your screen. Click on it, and now here set up captions to continue. You need to download something available in English, to just click on download. From here, click on it. You can position this top, bottom, floating on screen. I'll prefer floating on screen if you ask me. Captions options, filter profanity, include microphone audio, and a caption style. You can also just say something and you'll see the transcription, the caption of what you're saying, of you talking. And also caption style, which is great. You can customize style, white on black, small, large. I like large. And you can click on learn more if you want to learn more. But now let's just wait setting up live captions, and just now you can click on this caption style, and from here you can customize the captions. So from text, I like white background, black window, just black, opacity 25, where hello and blue, yes, maybe captions. Here you can also you can change the font and the effects. I selected raised, it looks better, like you have some raised, and the text casual looks good. So yeah, now as I said, just go on YouTube, and when you're watching something, listening, and you'll see the captions. So if this video helped you out, if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Take care.